Hey, do you like traveling?
Oh, yes, I love it. I really enjoy visiting new places. What about you?
Same here. I went to the mountains last year. It was so calm and beautiful. I felt so relaxed.
Wow, that sounds amazing. I love the mountains too, but beaches are my favorite. The sound of the waves, it just makes me so happy.
That's nice. Where did you travel last?
I went to Goa with my friends. We swam, ate yummy seafood, and watched the sunset together. It was magical.
Perfect. That sounds like so much fun. I've never been to Goa. I really want to go now.
You should. It's such a beautiful place. So, where do you want to go next?
I'm dreaming of Japan. Japan, I love their food, their culture, everything.
Ooh, that would be awesome. Let's go together sometime.
Hey, how was your day?
It was good. I was thinking a lot today
About what?
about my dream, what I really want to do in life.
That's deep. So, what's your dream?
I want to become a teacher
Oh, that's a beautiful goal. Why a teacher?
because I love kids. I want to help them grow.
Oh, that's amazing. You'd be a great teacher.
Thanks. What about you?
I dream of opening my own cafe with books and music.
That sounds so peaceful. But are you nervous?
Yes, a little. What if I can't do it?
Don't worry. Just don't give up. You're stronger than you think.
Hi, do you have fresh apples?
Yes, they're over there, near the bananas.
Great, I'll take 6. They look really good.
Thank you. Do you need anything else?
I also need milk. Where is it?
It's in the fridge, next to the eggs.
Okay, got it. And 1 chocolate too.
Sweet tooth, huh? Here you go.
Thanks. How much for everything?
It's $12.50.
Here's the money. Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye. Hi, are you free this weekend?
Let me check. Yes, I am free.
Great, let's go out.
Yes, I want to do something fun.
Do you want to watch a movie?
Yes, I love movies.
How about Saturday evening?
That's perfect.
Should we eat after the movie?
Yes, let's have dinner. I'm always hungry.
Haha, me too. I'll see you on Saturday.
Okay, I can't wait.
Hey, I heard you were planning a trip.
Yes, I want to go to America next month.
Wow, really? That's a big trip.
I know, I'm so excited, but also a little nervous.
Where will you go in America?
First, New York, then maybe Los Angeles. I want to see everything.
That sounds amazing. Are you going alone?
No, with my cousin. She lives in Canada.
Nice. What will you do there?
I want to visit Times Square, eat American food, and go shopping.
Don't forget to take lots of pictures.
Of course. I'll send you one from the Statue of Liberty.
I wish I could come too.
Next time, let's plan a trip together someday.
Hi, are you going to the gym again?
Yes, I go every morning now.
That's great. Why did you start?
I was always tired. I wanted to feel better.
Do you like it?
At first, no. It was hard. But now I feel strong.
That's good. I want to feel strong too.
You should try it. It helps my body and my mind.
Really?
Yes, I feel happy after the gym. I sleep better too.
Wow, that sounds nice.
I also feel more confident. I can do things I couldn't do before,
Like what?
like push-ups or running 2 kilometers.
That's cool. Can I come with you?
Sure, but don't cry on leg day.
Okay, I will try.
Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Sure. What happened?
I tried to withdraw money from the ATM, but it didn't give me any cash.
Did it show any message on the screen?
Yes, it said transaction completed, but no money came out.
Did it deduct the amount from your account?
Yes, I just checked my balance. The money is gone.
All right, don't worry. It sometimes happens when there's a machine error.
What should I do now?
You need to fill out a complaint form or contact your bank's customer care.
Can I do that here?
Yes, please go to the help desk inside the branch. They'll assist you.
Okay. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Keep your transaction slip. It'll help them track your refund.
Got it. Thanks again.
Hey, do you watch YouTube Reels?
Yes, I watch them every day.
What kind of videos do you watch?
I watch English learning videos. They help me speak better.
That's nice. Do you have a favorite channel?
Yes, I like AI Talk English. Love!
Oh, what is special about it?
The videos are short and very easy. I understand everything.
Really? What do they teach?
Simple English conversations, like how to talk in daily life.
Wow, sounds good. Do they post new videos?
Yes, almost every day.
Great, I will watch it today.
You will like it. What's your favorite food?
I love pizza. It's so tasty. What about you?
I really like biryani. It's my favorite dish. So flavorful.
Nice. Do you cook biryani at home?
Sometimes, but my mom makes the best biryani. Seriously, it's amazing.
That's cool. I can cook noodles and eggs. Easy food, you know?
That's a good start. At least you can cook something.
True. Do you eat spicy food?
I love spicy food. I even add chili to my snacks.
Wow, you're brave. I'd be crying. Hi, what did you study in college?
I studied computer science.
Wow, that's cool. Why did you choose it?
I love computers. I wanted to learn how to build apps.
That's amazing. Was it easy for you?
No, it was difficult, but I worked hard.
That's good. I studied business.
Oh, nice. Do you like it?
Yes, I want to start my own company one day.
That's a great dream. I hope it comes true.
Thank you, and I hope you become a great developer.
Thank you. Let's keep learning.
Do you have a crush?
Yes, I do.
What is his name?
His name is Aryan.
Where did you meet him?
I met him at college.
Why do you like him?
He is smart and kind.
Do you talk to him?
Yes, sometimes we talk.
Does he know about your crush?
No, he doesn't know.
Do you want to tell him?
Maybe, but I feel shy.
I hope it goes well.
Thanks. Let's see what happens.
Do you have a dream job?
Yes, I do.
What is your dream job?
I want to be a fashion designer.
Why do you like it?
I love clothes and making new styles.
When did you decide this?
I decided in school.
Are you learning fashion now?
Yes, I am doing a course.
What do you like the most?
I like drawing and designing dresses.
Do you want your own brand?
Yes, that is my big dream.
Good luck.
Thank you so much.
Hi there. Is this seat free?
Yes, please, go ahead.
Thanks. I wasn't sure if someone was sitting here.
No worries. Are you heading to London too?
Yes, I am. It's my first time taking this train.
Oh, really? You'll love the view along the way.
That's great. By the way, I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm Daniel.
So, are you traveling for work or just for fun?
Just for a short trip. I love exploring new cities.
Same here. Traveling by train is relaxing, don't you think?
Absolutely. You can just sit back and watch the scenery.
Exactly. I usually listen to music or read while traveling.
That sounds nice. I mostly take pictures and write about my trips.
Oh, that's cool. You must have lots of great memories.
I do. Oh, looks like my station is next.
Already? Time went fast.
Yeah. It was really nice talking to you.
Same here. Have a great journey.
Hey, why are you smiling today?
Because today is my birthday. Cake party.
Oh, wow. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
What are your plans for today?
I will have a small party at home, balloon and house.
Who is coming to the party?
My family and 2 best friends. Mom, Dad, 2 best friends, and me.
Did you get any gifts yet?
Yes, my dad gave me a smartwatch.
That's awesome. Are you excited?
Yes, I'm very happy today.
I hope you have the best birthday ever.
Thank you. You made my day even better.
Did you have summer vacation?
Yes, I did.
Where did you go?
I went to my village.
With your family?
Yes, with my parents and brother.
Was it fun?
Yes, it was so fun.
What did you do there?
I played, ate mangoes, and relaxed.
How was the weather?
It was hot, but I liked it.
Do you like summer vacation?
Yes, I love it.
Hey, why are you looking so secretive?
Shh, I'm planning a surprise.
Oh, for whom?
For my best friend. Her birthday is tomorrow.
That's so sweet. What's the plan?
A small party at my home with balloons and cake.
Nice. Did you buy a gift?
Yes, I got her a cute bracelet.
Aw, she'll love it for sure.
I hope so. She has no idea.
Don't forget to record her reaction.
Of course, it will be fun.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
That's so nice. What's his name?
His name is Bruno.
Cute. Is he big or small?
He's small, but very active.
What does he like to eat?
He loves chicken and biscuits.
Aw, I don't have a pet, but I want a cat.
Cats are cute too. Maybe get one someday.
Yes, I will. I love animals.
Me too. Pets make life happy.